Okay, this next video is going to show you how you can move your already uploaded overlays into the auras that will make it so they start showing up on your textbook whenever you're using the Aurasma app. Let's start with this. We need to go to auras over here on the right. Now, for each of the sections, they will be uploaded ahead of time to make it so that it's easy for you to use them and to modify. So let's use section 2.5 here as the one we're going to use for our test. Now, when you enter into this, you're going to notice that it's already up and loaded. What I'm going to do here real quick is make this a little bit bigger just so we can see it a little bit better. And then I'm going to zoom out here as well so that we can see all the different things here. Just to show you a real quick little bit of background as to how this is put together, it is pretty complicated. We have a series of overlays, and I'll be quick going over this. If you don't understand it, don't worry. What we have here is we have one overlay, which is the Algebra 1 answer key in the background. Then above it, we have two for each individual question. So for the big idea, there's one picture that says the big idea, and then there's actually a second overlay that is the video itself. And what I've done is made it so that that video, if you look over here, the video itself is initially hidden and it doesn't show up until you push the button, which is right here. If that didn't make any sense, don't worry about it. Here's what you need to know. I've left little fillers in here that I just want you to change out for the videos that you've made. It helped to put everything together in the beginning really nice and easily so that you didn't have to do all like the nitty-gritty tech work. So basically all that you need to know is that if you've created a video for let's say number 8, you have number 8 here, which is kind of just the filler in the background, the one I'm moving right now, and that just sits there as a placeholder just so you know where you're supposed to tab. And then over top of it we have this one that is titled blank 08. It isn't anything, it's just a blank white screen. I added the number there so that you would know which one you need to change out. So if you have the question ready in the overlays already and you've uploaded it to your overlays, all that you need to do to modify this is come in, find where it says blank 08, scroll down, and then you need to find the question itself that is the one that you've put in there. So you would go to Algebra 1 and then it'll give you all of these questions. So if you had filled in 2.5 number 8, then what you would do is you would come in and push on 2.5 number 8 and it would work for you. Now, I didn't even realize that 2.5 16 was already done, so we're just going to come up here to number 16 and put this in the correct way. So we have blank 16. We now want to get rid of that, so we're going to type in Algebra 1. And then if I need to, by the time there are a lot more of these, you can just type in 2.5 then, and it'll give you all the ones that are from this section. We put in 2.5 16. And then now what we've done is we've added this video here. You can kind of see it's shown up on top here. And then you push save. That's all that you need to do. Now one caution here, and this is more for the teachers who are putting in the big idea ones. I don't have a blank big idea in here currently. I guess I could make one. But this one is just listed as blank 01. So this is where you would come to add in your video there. So I hope that is clear to you on how you can add in your overlays to the previously created auras so they will now start showing up.